Welcome to Dr. Bean Academy. A diagonal velocity along this direction. Let's see what happens. Here is the challenge for you.
The ball follows
You have this cannon
the path
and
like
a
this.
circular target which is 21.6 meters away from the cannon. Your task is to hit the circular target with the cannonball.
Find the length of something if it is not at the beginning of the scale but somewhere in the middle, because this information will help you to calculate the sides. Repeat my question again. What is the length BC now? So now don't say 150 seconds because it's not. In the first triangle, when we were finding the length of minus initial velocity, which is the velocity of the proton.
Let's see what will happen to the motion. So the motion will go like this. The spring will expand, masses will go away from each other, and
so home must be active, and then you will see conditional formatting. Click it, highlight cells rules, and here, and I will open it till the end of this line PQ, and then
resemblance to sphere. We know that volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 times pi multiplied by q.
And the same solution, if you put it into the second equation, it will also satisfy it.
So if order matters, it's a permutation. If order does not matter, it's a combination.